All right, so this is just a little message from me, being a man of faith. A lot of people believe in God and a lot of people don't, but I believe anybody can use this message I'm about to bring, and it's really simple and it's practical. It really, really is. Anybody would agree with what I'm gonna say, and because they've faced it themselves, everybody. So I'm kind of going off of what my pastor has been saying, and he started a building campaign. He's looking at building a larger building. Our church is growing, so a lot of people have kids. So he's wanting a good little spot for all of the younger kids, and an overall bigger building to house all of the people. And it's just gotten to that point. But him and his wife discussed it, and he was really praying about it. And he told the congregation, he told us all, God just kind of led me to put on the brakes for a little bit. The cost of material is going up with the way that the world is. The cost of inflation, basically, the cost of lumber is going up. And after he told us this, just kind of thinking about it myself, I'm like, how often do we see this in life where everything's going great, and then all of a sudden we get those red flags? They pop up, and it might be with buying a car. We got this really nice truck that we're looking at, and then all of a sudden we get to looking at our finances, and we start seeing those little red flags, right? Start getting those red flags waving in front of us, where we're like, whoa, 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 man, I really should put that money back in the bank and just use what I got for now and save up a little bit longer, and I'll be able to go get that truck that I really want. You know, so often in life we get those little red flags where we need to slow down, just think things through, wait out the process. You know, Sometimes we want to dive right in, right? And that gets us into trouble often. It really, really does, because, man, we want to dive in, we want to get something new, we want to, but often we need to just, whoa, put the brakes on for just a little while. And we see this in relationships too. Everything's going great in a relationship, and then all of a sudden we start seeing those little red flags where we're like, whoa, man. Often we see this early in dating someone. Everything starts out real great, and then as time goes on, that person starts to reveal who they really are. Start seeing those red flags, but we continue on with the person, and then all of a sudden it's too late now. We're already dedicated. We're in it deep, and man, oh man, all of a sudden we start questioning ourselves. Man, I really should have given this thing more time, because this person is crazy. This person has some things about them that I just can't stand. I don't like. Don't ignore the warning signs. Don't ignore those red flags when they pop up. A lot of people that don't believe in God would say, "Oh, it's just your intuition. It's just your instinct." Us who believe in God, hey, it's the Holy Spirit trying to tell us, "Hey, man, you need to back off a little bit. Don't ignore these things. Don't dive in head first." And that's just what I wanted to bring today is, hey, don't ignore those warning signs, because a warning sign could turn into a head-on collision later on down the road. So just be careful, be cautious, don't ignore those warning signs. All right, red means stop. So don't ignore it. You guys have a blessed day. Take it easy. Thank you for stopping by and watching. Hit that like button for me. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I will have more videos like this coming out in the future. You guys go check out my playlists. There might be something there that will bless you, and something that you can use. I try to make videos to help people out and bless people and give somebody a little nugget of knowledge. And God's given me quite a few little videos that I have in my playlists. So you guys take it easy. Be blessed. You guys have a good Easter coming up on Sunday. Take it easy.